Hello, my name is Gunnar Ellingsen from the Arctic University of Norway. I have produced this poster together with Bente Christensen from Nord University and Rolf Wind from the Arctic University of Norway. So the title is A Common Electronic Health Record for Norwegian Municipalities. Large-scale electronic health record systems have become increasingly common in the European healthcare market. In accordance with this trend, the Norwegian healthcare authorities launched a plan in 2018 for the acquisition of a common large-scale EHR system for 291 of Norway's 356 municipalities as part of the so-called Akson program. The new municipal EHR system was expected to replace the existing EHRs used in home care services, nursing homes, and general practitioners' clinics. Implementation should begin in the first few municipalities in 2025, with the process being completed in all municipalities in 2030. However, the program has initiated a fierce debate among healthcare professionals, policymakers, digitalization strategies, and suppliers regarding the plan's scale, content, and strategy. So here we explore these contested areas in the context of the Norwegian healthcare system's peculiarities. So this study adheres to an interpretive research approach, which considers a phenomenon from a variety of viewpoints. Data collection is based on interviews with 10 healthcare professionals in northern Norway in 2020. Also 6 top healthcare segment managers from the 3 principal suppliers of EHR systems to the Norwegian municipalities were interviewed. So first, the ambition. There are 3 different EHRs in use in the municipalities, nursing homes, and home care services. They are Proffdoc, Kostdoc, and Gerica. These EHRs are used by a range of different professionals, such as nurses, occupational therapists, psychologists, municipal physicians, and physiotherapists. So the current systems have been criticized for not being able to support an increasingly hard-pressed municipal healthcare sector. So many of those who participated in the preparatory work for Akson considered it a positive initiative. A policy advisor in the municipality explained that there was general consensus that there was not too much variation between the municipalities' responsibilities, since they are all governed by the Health and Care Act and take on statutory tasks. For this reason, a common EHR for the municipalities would seem to be a reasonable way to ensure seamless information flow between healthcare personnel involved in treating and caring for patients. Akson Journal Limited Corporation, jointly owned by the municipalities and the state, was intended to bear responsibility for the acquisition, management, and future development of standard EHR. This was expected to ensure a strong united position during the negotiation process with suppliers and to be a substantial improvement over the current scenario. And then the concerns. Some key users have argued that this strategy may simply be a continuation of the existing strategy, that is, having a shared system for a wide variety of different user groups. Suppliers have also voiced concerns, arguing that this is an old-fashioned way of doing things and that it prohibits local innovation initiatives. The key point is that while all municipalities have similar responsibilities in accordance with the law, there are different needs in each municipality. A policy consultant explained that although the municipalities have the same overall goals, it is difficult to agree on exactly how things should be done. So finally, the change. In order to accommodate the different perspectives, spokespersons representing users, suppliers, and policymakers have suggested that the common EHR system should have the characteristics of a platform or an ecosystem that can support the presence of various components and systems, where the platform itself ensures effective integration mechanisms between different domains. The recommendations were duly accepted by the Directorate of eHealth, and necessary changes were made to the policy. The Axon program was then divided into two parts. The holistic integration part remains the responsibility of the Directorate of eHealth, while the EHR part was transferred to the Norwegian Association of Local and Regional Authorities and given the name Common Municipal Health Record. Despite these changes, the Common Municipal Health Record concept remains vague and contested. Still, it is difficult to understand what this change means. On the one hand, it has been promoted as one system, while on the other, many suppliers are now being invited to collaborate with their individual systems and in a stepwise process. Existing EHR system suppliers in the municipal market also find the platform strategy unclear, still leaning towards a large-scale standardized solution. One manager was particularly explicit about this, stating that there is no supplier in the world that can offer a so-called health ecosystem that can be pieced together like an app on an iPhone. So, conclusions. Along information infrastructure dimensions, Norwegian authorities have great ambitions for the implementation of a common EHR system for Norwegian municipal health services. However, the platform strategy used to date has proven vague, and many stakeholders fear that the notion platform is just another term for a large-scale monolithic system along the lines of what currently is implemented in other Nordic countries such as Denmark and Finland. Thank you very much. Any questions can be sent to gunnar.ellingsen@uit.no.